Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hey, good to have you with me. Guess what? I got a little trick that I do. Regular electricians are going to go, don't do that, you got to have a junction box. But I'm going to show you a little something. If you want to get a can light where you might not be able to, because a can would be a great big can and you have a little bitty space, you can use a retrofit kit so that it goes into the old can like this, and then you can either overbend these screws, these springs, but in this case these ones here, I can just turn it over, then I lose it right in front of you guys. Turn it upside down. Put the screw back in. Missed the hole. There.
You have that key hook off to it?
No. So look in that electrical bag though. Then we have this, and you're like, wow, what do I do with that? This is a temporary light for a construction site. Socket you can just hook into Romex and hang along. If you didn't, so some of these have a bigger adapter right here, and you wouldn't want to cut that because that's the actual transformer that this one has down here. But you could cut this one. Instead, I'm using this socket, which is about $3. There we go. And then I just have a hole cut. Don't have to have a can, just hole cut big enough to get this through. I'll lift this part up over, and then I bend this in and put it in. And I'll show you that in a minute. Shoving these two up in there, bending that down underneath, and taking these two to the middle. I can take it back down if I want. Something you might consider. See ya. By the way, these can lights, these LED can lights, certainly can make a difference. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.